from the Q10 September 2023. The diagram below shows the graph of f at x. The x-coordinates of L and M are 1 and 2 respectively. 1 and 2. The average gradient of f between L and M is 5.5. The equation of the tangent to the curve at x is equals to 6 is y is equals to negative 18x plus a c. The gradient should be negative, so maybe we're just going to say this is x equals to 6, and then we're going to have the tangent. Okay, 10.1. Show that a is equals to negative 1 over 2 and b is equals to 3. Okay, this is not as bad as it seems. So now let's try and understand what is happening here. The average gradient is given as the change in y over the change in x. They are telling me that the average gradient between M and L is equals to 5.5. Okay, this is going to be the y value at M minus the y value at L all over. So this is the x value at M minus the x value at L. Currently, I do not know what the y value at M and L are, so I need to find what the y values are there. Okay, I am given f at x, which is equals to ax cubed plus bx squared. I know that the x value at L is equals to 1, so I'm just going to substitute that. This is 1, 3 plus b 1, which is equals to, all of this should be equals to the y value at L. This means that the y value at L is equals to a plus b. Now I'm going to look for the y value at M. The x value there is a 2, and then this is a2 cubed plus b2 squared. This is an 8a plus a 4b. This should give me the value of the y at M. Y at M is equals to that. Now I'm just going to go back to the average gradient. They told me that the average gradient should be equals to 5.5. And then y of M, that is going to be 8a plus 4b minus the y at L, that is going to be a plus b, all over the x at M, that is a 2, and then the x at L, that is a 1. This is going to be 5.5, which is equals to 7a, 8 minus a, that is going to be 7, and then this is going to be a 3b. So this means that 5.5 minus 7a is equals to 3b. Therefore, b is equals to 5.5 over 3 minus 7 over 3, which is equals to 5.5 divided by 3, that is 11 over 6. And then, okay, this is my a there. So this is just minus 7 over 3a. Okay. Now, I also know that I have an equation of a tangent to the curve at x is equals to 6. f of x is equals to ax cubed plus bx squared. In order to find the gradient at the curve, I need to find the derivative, which is equals to 3ax squared plus 2bx. Now I want to know this is equals to 6, right? Which should be equals to 3a into 6 squared plus 2b into 6. And the gradient there should be equals to negative 18, because this gives me the equation of a straight line, where this represents what? The gradient. So at x equals to 6, I'm expecting the gradient to be equals to negative 18. 3 times 6 squared, that is a 108a. And this is going to be a 12b, which is equals to negative 18. But let's not forget that b is equals to 11 over 6. So I'm just going to substitute 108a plus 12. My b is 11 over 6 minus 7 over 3a, which is equals to negative 18. 108 plus 12 times 11 over 6, that is a 22, minus 12 times negative 7 over 3, that's a minus 28a minus 18. This is an a. So 108 minus 28, I am getting an 80a, which is equals to minus 18 minus 22, that is a minus 40. Therefore, the value of a should be 40 over 80, which is a half. And then now I'm going to substitute there to find the value of b, which is 11 over 6 minus 7 over 3 minus a half. 11 over 6 minus 7 over 3 minus a half. That gives me 3. We have proven 10.2. F of x is equals to negative 1 over 2 x cubed plus 3x squared is given. Determine the coordinates of n, the turning point. In order to find the x coordinates of the turning point, we need to find the derivative n equated to 0. Minus 1 over 2, 3x squared plus 3 into 2x. And then f of x should be equals to 0 at the turning point. And then I'm going to have a minus 3 over 2x squared plus 6x, which is equals to a 0. And then I'm just going to multiply everything by negative 2. Then I'm going to have 3x squared minus 12x, which is equals to a 0. I'm going to take out a common factor of 3x. X minus, that's a 4, which is equals to 0. Therefore, x should be equals to 0, or x should be equals to a 4. The value of x at n should be 4. F at 4 should be equals to negative 1 over 2, 4 cubed plus 3 times 4 squared. Negative 1 over 2, 4 cubed plus 3 into 4 squared. I'm getting a 16. So the coordinates of n, 4 is to 16. 10.3. The graph of f is a concave up for x is less than k. Calculate the value of k. So they are looking for the point of inflection. X of inflection should be equals to the x-coordinate of the turning point at O plus the x-coordinate of the turning point at N. Because I know that the point of inflection should lie between the turning points. That's where the graph will change concavity. So this x at 0, that's 0, plus 4, which is equals to A2. This means that k should be equals to A2. Another way to find this, we can say f of x should be equals to negative 1 over 2x cubed plus 3x squared. F of x, we need to find the second derivative. It will give us the value of the point of inflection, the x value. So this is minus 3 over 2x squared plus 6x. Yeah, and then we just need to find the second derivative. So this is minus 3 over 2, which is 2x plus a 6. And then we equate this to 0. Then I'm left with 3x plus 6. So x should be equals to a 2. The k value should be equals to 2. So we can use the first method or the second one.